Ever wondered how much it really costs to light up your life with the futuristic glow of neon? Neon lights, once the exclusive domain of bustling cityscapes and retro diners, have now made their way into homes, offices, and even bedrooms. Their unique, eye-catching glow can transform any space, adding a touch of modern elegance or vintage charm. But with their increasing popularity comes a burning question: just how much does it cost to illuminate your world with neon? Breaking down the costs. While the initial investment might seem daunting, the long-term benefits and aesthetic appeal of neon lights often outweigh the upfront costs. Let's break down the factors that influence the price tag. Size and complexity. Smaller signs, simpler designs, like a single word or a small logo, tend to be more budget-friendly. Larger signs, elaborate designs, intricate patterns, and oversized installations naturally come with a higher price tag. Material choice. Glass neon, the classic choice, offering a vibrant, timeless glow. However, it can be more delicate and requires careful handling. LED neon, a more durable and energy-efficient alternative, often mimicking the appearance of traditional neon. Customization. Color palette. The number of colors you choose can impact the overall cost. Font and style. Custom fonts and unique styles can add to the expense. Installation. DIY installation. For those with a knack for DIY, this can significantly reduce costs. Professional installation. Hiring professionals to ensure proper installation and safety can increase the total price. The long-term perspective. While the initial investment might seem substantial, neon lights are a long-term investment. With proper care and maintenance, they can last for many years, providing consistent, eye-catching illumination. Additionally, consider the energy efficiency of LED neon, which can lead to lower utility bills over time. The hidden costs. Beyond the upfront costs, there are a few additional factors to consider. Maintenance, regular cleaning, and potential repairs can add to the overall expense. Electricity consumption. While LED neon is energy efficient, it still consumes electricity, which can impact your monthly bills. So, how much does neon really cost per year? The answer isn't straightforward. It depends on a variety of factors, including the size, complexity, and type of neon sign, as well as installation and maintenance costs. However, one thing is certain: neon lights offer a unique and captivating way to elevate any space. By carefully considering your budget and needs, you can find the perfect neon solution to illuminate your world. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.